Hey everyone. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to find archived groups on WhatsApp using the PC app, thanks to the latest update. Let's get started. First things first. Open WhatsApp on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to download the PC app from the official website for a seamless experience. Once you're in the app, look over to the left side menu. Here, you'll see various options like chats, status, and calls. What you want to focus on is the Archive Chats option. Click on it to reveal all the chats you've archived, including those group chats that you might have hidden away. Now take a moment to scroll through the list of archived chats. You'll find all the groups and individual chats that you've chosen to archive. It's a great way to tidy up your chat list without losing important conversations. Keep an eye out for the specific group you want to access. If you remember the group's name, it'll make this step much easier. Once you spot the group you're looking for, simply click on it to open the chat, and there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you can easily locate your archived groups on the WhatsApp PC app. This handy update saves time and keeps your chats organized. So, whether you're searching for old messages, planning events, or catching up with friends, retrieving archived groups has never been simpler. Happy chatting, and enjoy the new features WhatsApp has to offer.